How to get $100 in and out burger promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in and out coupon and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Now you can check out any of these websites. All these websites are for the coupon codes. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, couponburst.com. Once you open it, you will land to the coupons page where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. Like any restaurant, In-N-Out's prominent position has plenty to do with the quality and value of the food. The California-based burger chain has a unique operating model which focuses on delivering fresh ingredients daily and avoids franchising local so that every restaurant is held to its lofty standards. In-N-Out Burger is known for using fresh, highly quality ingredients. Their burgers are made with 100% pure beef. Their fries are hand-cut from whole potatoes, and their produce is delivered fresh to the restaurants. If you wanna get discount on their menu, you can use these coupons. In this page, you will be able to find tons of amazing offers and deals. So you can see that 15% off, 20% off, and so on. If you are interested in any of the offer, click on this arrow. Now here is the code, you can copy it. Now whenever you check out, you can apply this code. So you can see that I have selected Enjoy Hot Sale items with this code. By applying the same process, you can grab other deals of In-N-Out Burger. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code if it is valid or not. Once you check that, you will be good to go. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get up to $100 In-N-Out Burger promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.